Mobile One.
I'm working on a valve cover gasket. This is for a 2001 Honda Civic. And the tricky things about this one are bite the bullet and undo the alternator cable, the power cable, and plug, and get that wire harness freed up. You do that, you're just going to be okay. And there's a little clip here. The rest of it's pretty cut and dry, except for these crusty old bushings, washers, whatever. Basically, these get so crusty you can't take them off without cutting them. So just get a pair of side cuts, and whatever metal part comes off there. You can see I split this one. And then when it comes time to put them back together, the new ones, you want to wiggle it around a lot. Just like you're putting on a tire on a rim or something. You just kind of turn them, squish them around. If you try to shove them through, like I've tried putting a socket here and then pressing them with a bigger socket over the top, and that just usually tears them up. If your new ones are too stiff to get them on, separate the metal from the rubber, put the metal on first, then put the rubber on by itself. So let's do one more just for fun. So I take these. I'm not pushing down against the shaft of the thing very hard at all. You don't want to stab your hand with your side cuts. You just take a thumb on each side, just push it off. So I didn't even cut through that one all the way. And then for this guy, just kind of work it in a circle. The easiest way I know of to do these, I can't show you because I can't set the camera up there, but you put a socket on this side and you put the vise here, and then make sure the vise is just barely on the rubber part, and just work the thing in a circle and they just drop right through. That's the easiest way. I didn't take off, I'm glad that one didn't go on. I didn't take the metal ring off. If you're in a real bad way, you put some silicone lubrication on this edge here. But these are supposed to be flat so that they hold tight. This surface here works kind of like a lock washer, if you will, and a stop. Just work it in a circle and you're on. Let's do it again. This never gets old, does it? The short ones are the tricky ones. Easier to put on but harder to take off. That should be easy. What do you think of the two different kinds of gloves, huh? Is that high fashion or what? I tore one of each gloves. Try to recycle directly and get as much use out of stuff as I can. There we go. Well, we've just got all 5 of them good to go. That's how you do them.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to click like and subscribe.